When it comes to finding the best HVAC contractor in Virginia, Service Pros is your ultimate one-call solution. Picture this: expertise, convenience, quality assurance, comprehensive services, and a laser focus on customer satisfaction, all rolled into one seamless experience. With Service Pros, you're not just getting any contractor, you're getting a skilled professional with years of experience, guaranteeing top-notch service for repairs, maintenance, or new installations. One call is all it takes to connect you to the best contractor in your area, saving you precious time and hassle. Service Pros doesn't just settle for mediocre. They prioritize quality and only work with professionals known for their excellence. Their services cover everything from air conditioning repairs to furnace installations and maintenance checks, offering a one-stop solution for all your HVAC needs. But here's the kicker: customer satisfaction is at the heart of everything they do. Their friendly and approachable contractors are dedicated to ensuring a positive experience for every single customer. So, if you're looking for reliable, efficient, and customer-focused HVAC services in Virginia, look no further than Service Pros. Trust me, you won't be disappointed.